Hello everyone. This month we are back to set up the March in all my three planners. So just a quick recap. I'm using multiple planners this year, but mainly these are my three main planners that definitely need setup. So my first planner is this Neorah Accomplish Daily Duo Planner. So this planner is from January to June, and this is sort of a daily planner. Then I have the Ink Bucket Good Life Planner. This is where I do my weekly reflections. And then I have again one of the Neorah weekly planners. This is my work planner. So these are the three planners that I definitely need to set up every month. So let's get into setting each one of them. So in this setup video, I'm just going to set up the monthly calendars, and I will take each and every planner separately when I set up inside the month. So let's just get started. So the first planner I'm going to set up is going to be my Neorah Accomplish Daily Duo Planner. This is my daily planner. This is my daily journal, to be very precise. So what do I want to plan in this? First, just to let you know, I decorate the hell out of this planner. So as you can see, this planner is already super chunky, and I have used just 2 months in this, and you can see how chunky it is. This is because I essentially use a lot of tip-ins. I use a lot of stick-ons. So this is something that my son wrote out to me. I stick a lot of things, stickers, as well as a lot of memories. So if I have gone out and I have a ticket of that place, I will definitely put it up in this planner. So this becomes essentially my daily journal, and because of that, this becomes I'm hoping this to be become very chunky. Now how well this will hold up for 6 months, only time will tell. But at this point, I'm just going to quickly set up the month of March in this. On this calendar, I generally write one line a day. I need a lot of space to write in this, so I have not selected something really fancy. If you have not seen my last haul video, I had got this flowers from one of the Instagram stores. I will link the store in the description box below on this video as well. So let's get started. Now in this, I just don't have a lot of plan. I'm just going to start sticking wherever these guys belong, and I definitely do not use this particular health tracker. So this will have one of my largest stickers here, and there is a very pretty space right here, which I am going to stick one of the large stickers again. And I definitely don't need this calendars. These calendars come in really handy when I am planning in my work planner. But since this is just my journal, I don't need these calendars as well, so I'm just going to cover them up. I'm trying to put up these smaller, really little dainty flowers all across the calendar, whereas the larger flowers will remain on the periphery. These stickers are super good quality. Actually, I bought them so that I could put it up on one of my journals or one of my books as covers. But then I realized that I have this book theme is already something blue and purple. So that is the reason I thought of using them inside my monthly page. Again, in the quotes section, I'm just going to put in a large flower because I'm not going to put up a lot of quotes, at least on this month. So this looks pretty here. I think that is it. I will need a lot of space to write here, so I'm just keeping it as is. I think one more sticker here will look pretty because this looks slightly empty. So I'm just going to put in one more sticker here, and that is it. I don't want to decorate this or over decorate this. Every month I am keeping this very simple. So I'm just going to keep it very simple for this month as well. I still have quite a few stickers left on the sheet, but let's use this somewhere else. So this is essentially my first planner to be set up. My second planner to be set up is my work planner, and I generally use this to go to work. This has been coming in super handy. So I keep all of my, currently I have some ephemera here, but generally I keep my visiting cards, sometimes even just bank cards also. If I have to go to a meeting somewhere not too far from the office, I can just take this. This will include my wallet as well as my planner, so anything that I have to write. For this month, what I've done is I've already chosen the sticker kit that I'm going to use. So this is the sticker kit that I'm going to use. This is a Sassy Planner Nerd sticker kit. This is a very small sticker kit, and I have used this for the month of January. I'm just going to blur out this, but you can see even while it is blurred out, this looks beautiful. The month of February, I did not film it, but this is how my month of February looked like. It was absolutely aimed to self-love because it was the month of love. So this is how my February turned out to be. And now I am going to plan for my March. This is one of their mini kits. They have two kinds of kits. One is a larger kit and this is a mini kit. Mini kit generally works for me to set up this particular page, so I continuously buy this mini kit. Now what I'm going to do essentially is I have this particular sheet from one of the larger kits that I had purchased. So from this I'm just going to use this sticker for my recurring meetings. So these are my weekly meetings that I have to continuously attend every week. So I'm just going to stick first of all this sticker in my things to do, and it fits so perfectly that I absolutely love this. As you can see, this fits really well. So it is a very big day at work, so I just want to use something really cute. Then I have a quote sticker here. So I will write the word of the month right here. Even last month and the month before, for February as well as January, I have written that, so it has worked for me so far. So that will go there. Then I will put in some of my things to do. These lines actually fit in very perfectly with the grid. So I like using this kit here. So this will have my goals. I don't use the health tracker. I'm just going to cover it up with this watermelon picture here. On 2nd of March, I have an important meeting to go to. So I have put that up. 3rd of March, I don't have too many things to do. The weekends obviously are not going to be filled in this because it is going to be my work planner. But for the weekends, what I can actually do is to cover them up with this really cute washi that they have given. So this I think will go here, and the larger washi will go at the bottom because, as I said, I don't really use the weekends as much. So I will have one washi here and my other washi to be right here. So, and I'm just going to cover the habit tracker because obviously I don't use the habit tracker here, and the cute bows will go here because I just want to coordinate this somewhere on the top. And my credit card payment bills, which I have a really cute icon for here, will be generally the last weekend of the month. So this will be around these dates. On Monday also I have 2 meetings, so I'm just going to mark them with this square. And the internal meeting, I'm generally just alternating between external and internal meetings. So the internal meeting that I have, I'm just going to mark it here. It's a recurring meeting, so the meeting will go here, and I've just marked it like that. On Tuesday, I have multiple meetings, so I'm just going to put up a list like this, so I can write down each and every meeting here. And on Friday, I have 2 meetings. For both the meetings, I'm just going to use these 2 boxes. I absolutely love the yellow hues of this kit. On 16th, I have a big meeting, and so I'm just going to mark this with this here. And I'm just going to use this nice little planner thingy here. It is dated, so this has 2022 written, but I'm not complaining. It's just a small little sticker to fill up this particular space. And there is a nice little bow here as well. So this will cover my 2022 pretty well. So this is like a cute thing right there. So what I'm thinking is some of my personal things to do, I can actually note down here. Because this space is quite empty, so my personal things to do can actually go here, and then I can come back home and put it in my personal planner, and I can just write a small to do here. This looks so cute. just putting the stickers wherever I have some future meetings. I think this is it. This is all I'm going to put it up for this week here. And these extra stickers, I think from this page I just have one extra sticker, which I'm just going to push it here. So I have minimum things to actually carry. So I just have 2 sheets to carry. This is essentially wherever I have more things to do for a day, I will just stick them up. These date dots I will either use to set up one of my weeklies, or I will just keep them for a backup. So these are the 2 things that I'm going to use. Last month I actually used this sticker also because I had a lot of things to do, so I can put it up on one of the weekends and just mark all the things to do for that. Essentially this is a habit tracker, but I just don't track my habits here. But this is how my March month will look like in my work planner. Moving on to the ink bucket planner. This is also very heavily decorated planner. I just wanted to show you how my February is going. As you saw, I am over decorated at all the points in time, because this is what gives me some sort of peace and some sort of decluttering of my thoughts every day at the end of the day. So just to give you a quick flip through, I have been doing a lot in this book. This is my weekly reflections. I couldn't do the this week's reflection, so I just stick a random bits of paper here. I did a little bit of weekly reflections here, but just one line. Again, these pages I did not have the time, so I just stuck some random pages and just did my gratitude practice for this week. The last week of February I did have a lot of time, and I went ahead and did an extensive weekly reflections here, and as you can see, every single time I'm just doing so much of art journaling, and I'm absolutely loving it. I don't generally film this process essentially because there is a lot going on in my mind, and it is a relaxing process for me. If I start filming this, I may not it may not be an enjoyable process. It may be then a task for me. So I will show you all what I'm doing. I have already finished my monthly reflections here, and we are going to start with the month of March, and I'm only going to set up the calendar. So what I've decided is for the calendar itself, I'm just going to take my Bibliophile sticker book. I have not used this sticker book. I think I've used barely a few stickers from this book. This is available on Amazon, and it is one of those vintage sticker books, and you know already that I'm super into vintage. What I have decided is these really beautiful vintage animals. I'm just going to see what animals work in this theme. If you see, the current month of March is in this grey and mustard theme. Let's see if I get any stickers that are apt in this particular book with that theme. So for example, this honeybee is perfect, or rather lady dressed in the honeybee is absolutely perfect, and it's a very large sticker, and I absolutely love this. Similarly, I'm just going to start picking up things from here. The lady may just go here like this. I don't use the notes section as much. I just got carried away with the sticker book. Let me first mark a few important dates. I think the first thing I want to mark is Holi, and the Holi stickers are in my Tall Elephant sticker book. So the first thing I'm just going to do is take this Holi sticker and mark it on 7th of March. I'm not sure when are you guys celebrating Holi. There's a large confusion on when do people celebrate Holi. In Bombay, at least the schools are giving holidays on the 7th, so we are just celebrating it on 7th. But I have heard a lot of people are celebrating on 8th as well. So I have one friend's birthday on the 1st of March. So I'm just going to use this small little donut to mark his birthday. I've just marked the important things, and I'm back again, and I've used the very similar mustard theme, so that I'm still on theme. Let's see what else I've got in this mustardy grey theme. I'm specifically looking for animals. because that is what I feel. I think this cute little grey cat will work. Then comes this butterfly. I think this butterfly is so pretty and so on point with the theme. These birds are very pretty but does not go into my theme. I think this one does. I'm just cheating a little bit, but these birds are really cute to let them go. So I'm just using whatever I can fit into the theme. This is still some elements of yellow, but not so much of grey. But I'm going to cheat a little bit this time. And wow, this bird actually fits in perfectly to my theme. This is a fairly large bird. Again, I have to think where I'm going to put it, but if I've liked it, I'll figure it out. I think this is difficult. I think putting him here will make sense. Let's see. He looks pretty. He doesn't look half as bad. I want some sticker which is longer in width. This is so on theme. I have a yellow crab. And this crab, I think, would perfectly fit here. I don't think I need anything more here, but I'm just going to quickly flip through this book and see if I have anything more interesting. Oh, this owl is also very good and will be on point to the theme, but I don't think I have such a big space. And if I have a cat here, I'm just going to put to balance things out this particular dog here, and it goes pretty much to the theme, so I'm just going to keep it like that and hopefully put him somewhere here to balance my cat out. And I think this is it. I don't have to put in too many stickers for this month, because I will have to write a few things here as well. So this is it. This is how I'm going to set up. I'm just going to give you a quick flip through of all the setups that we've done today. This is the setup in my ink bucket planner. This is the setup in my daily journal, and you can see I have a lot of themes going on so that I'm not really bored at any point in time, and I have something variety going on at all points in time. So this is essentially my work planner, and I absolutely love how each of them have turned out. So that is it. This is how I set up my monthly calendars in all my 3 planners. If you've come this far watching my video, I'm truly grateful for you. If you like what you see, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Bye now.